Hey, all right, so I'm back here, and this is the bowl. It's called Tapatio. Tapatio, hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's ramen noodle soup. It's birria flavor. Of course, you can use it, you can either cook it using hot water, or you can use it, put some cold water in, and then warm it up in the microwave for how long? I don't know how long, but you can just warm it up in the microwave. The instructions over here. I tend to not use the microwave. I prefer just having hot water, and there is a little fill line, and you gotta pour the water onto the fill line, up to the fill line rather. And but however, I like my noodles to be soupy, so I usually pour it a lot more than just the fill line. Okay, it's at your discretion. You can add as much as you want if you want it to be soupy, if you want it to be diluted. And let me just warn you, I'm gonna also let you know that this is what it comes with. So you have, this is what it looks like. This is the tastemaker. It's a whole bag of it, and it's a lot. I would suggest if you don't want any noodles too strong, the best thing to do is just use half or maybe 3/4. If you want it really hot and spicy, you just got to use the whole thing. All right. I like it to be 3/4 because I want some flavor. I don't like it to be, I wouldn't really use this whole packet. Okay. You could use this packet for something else, like maybe a chicken burrito or whatever you want to cook later. Besides that, it also comes with some vegetable flakes. That's what it looks like, vegetable flakes. This is what the birria flavor is. This is the same tastemaker I was just holding like a few seconds ago. Just want to pan it to the camera so you can see it much better. And of course, last but not the least, that's the noodles. The fill line is somewhere here. That's where the fill line is, somewhere here. I usually fill it up to here. All right, so I've got my hot water. Just gonna do some live cooking for you. Actually, not really. It's not live cooking, it's just pouring water. Boiling water. This is some boiling water that's just been poured. I'm gonna fill it all the way to the top, okay? So that's how much I'm gonna fill it up. And as you can see, that's where the water level is. It's really, really hot. It's boiling, as you can see. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the birria flavor, provided it wants to open. I'm sorry I'm such an angle. I should really have adjusted the camera, but hey, you know what? I'm just gonna... Oh, okay. I'm going to pan it a little lower the camera so you can see. All right, so I've added quite a bit. Okay, that's what it looks like, the flavor. I'm gonna add some more. I like adding about 3/4 of it. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's good enough. And I have my fork here. Okay, I'm gonna just stir it in, just dunk it in, so that it mixes well with the noodles. Soupy ramen noodles. Just gotta keep mixing it in, dunking it in as much as you can. All right. And this little lid over here is supposed to help it cook, or rather, dissolve these noodles. Make sure you don't press it too hard because then you're gonna have broken noodles. I like just, dabbing it in a little bit. And very important, your vegetable flakes. Okay, so I'll show you what the vegetable flakes look like. Just like, just little vegetables. That's what it looks like, okay? So I'm gonna put these vegetable flakes in. You get carrots and a whole bunch of other little dried vegetables. Okay, that's gone in. I'm gonna go back into this and have it sit for about 5 minutes until the noodles are nice and not solid, but they're just perfect. Okay, don't want to keep it for extra long, so 5 minutes is the perfect time for these noodles. All right, so I'm just gonna let it sit and let this little lid do its thing. Okay, that's it. Back in 5 minutes. All right, it's time. It's 5 minutes is up, and I've still got my bowl with me over here, and I'm just gonna try tasting it. Like you guys know, I have tasted this several times, and it's amazing. Question is, does it beat the Nissin hot and spicy ramen noodles? I think it does. I have to say, I think it does. Every time I taste this, it's just, as you can see, I'm literally salivating. I can't even talk. I have to have this. I've got to say, it definitely beats the Nissin hot and spicy ramen noodles. So here goes my first bite. And it smells amazing. It smells so good. I wish the technology was such that you could actually smell what I was cooking or what I was eating. Man, I can't wait. But I still have it. I want to burn my tongue. So I'm going to just have to keep having it cool down. Look at that. Look how cool. Like I told you, don't press down on the noodles because they're going to break when you're trying to mix the tastemaker, right? Because this is what you get. If you don't press it down, if you don't break the noodles, this is how long the noodles will be. Gonna take my first bite. Mmm. 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 And that is how long those noodles are. It is amazing. It is amazing. I can't wait to taste the broth and just drink it after these noodles are over because the taste is so good. This is the best one. You've got to say it's better than this and hot and spicy noodles. This is the one. This is the way to go. This is the way to go. This is the way to go. So good. I can't wait to take my next bite. Mmm. Mmm. So wonderfully flavored. It is amazing. Just the flavor is so good. I'm gonna focus on eating. I'm gonna have to let you guys go. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Until next time, happy eating and speak to you soon. Bye for now.